Welcome back to the channel, folks. D-Man behind the camera. And today I'm going to be doing a quick repair, maybe a little restoration on this BenchMade folding knife that I ended up grabbing at a yard sale. The tip is broken. Other than that, it has potential. A little dirty. Needs a little bit of lube, etc. So let's get right into it. I forgot to mention, this thing is very filthy inside. Alright, enough of that. First thing I'm going to do is address that tip. Let's do this. There you have it. Time to take it apart. Alright, let's do this. Find some special sauce. Look at the difference already. Just go like that with all the parts. Gotta keep turning, and there we have it right there. I'm satisfied with that. As you can see, that is pretty clean. It's a little thick, so I'll take off the surface, and then we'll get right in that middle, like that, see? Just like that. It breaks all apart. So, that's the easy part. Alright, now the fun part. Cleaning it up and putting it back together. Alright, first things first, we put that in. Then here, put that here. Okay. I already have it lubricated. I'm gonna go in, under. This is trying to catch onto that. But where is that? I have that. Okay. And there we have it. Now is the tricky part. I want to get this here onto that pin. Right? So holding it now in my other hand, I have it. That. See if I can go like this. Down, over, and just wiggling it. See if I can get it forward like that. See? Now I'm pulling on it, even though I gotta go down with this, like so, and then up. There we go. And then squeezing it this way, it should fall in. There it is. Believe it or not, that's actually the hardest part, guys. Alright, so the edge is not too bad, but it's not sharp. So I already changed the belt, 800 grit, let's do this. Alright. Now we're just gonna polish that edge, get that burr out of there. Looking good. Try a piece of paper. Let's see if we'll cut here. Right there. Oh yeah. Screaming. Razor sharp. You can see that hair right there. Shout out to the hair. There we have it. Something quick. Very smooth. And razor sharp. Yeah. Thanks for watching. She is up for grabs if anyone is interested. Until the next one. Cheers.